what you see?
You are a prostitute. Your nurse is a key point.
Let's have it. Come on, baby, let's have it.
Viewers, apologize. I'm continue.
Get your VM.